Avengers!
Assemble!
You are a pretty good actor.
I'm more than pretty good. That's not the line. I'm not that good. Action.
Well, let's see what the ghost wants. Find out what the ghost wants. Let's get this ghost.
Should I be looking in the camera?
No, you should be looking at my bum.
I had to put one on there for the gag.
Kill the engine. Wait for instruction. Because I'm in charge.
And as soon as we get any closer to that building, you won't be...
That's not going away anytime soon.
I'm not done with you. Oh my God.
What makes you happy?
I don't know.
Were you gonna say Polish?
Tell them I'm I can't. It's not gonna happen. I can't speak. Let's blow this popsicle stand.
What's that sound? Do you want to be on? Oh, fuck.
Why don't you stick a in it?
That's one way to do it.
Oh, is Thor coming in? Alright. I'm gonna act the shit out of this, I promise. And as soon as we get any closer to that building, I won't be able to touch you. Which, to tell you the truth, is all I've thought about since there's a really loud thing happening right now and 6 people running towards it. Sorry.
You do it for me.
Bam! Oh, I just wanted to punch it so bad! I'm sorry. Time out, I apologize. I just fell out of it for a second. No problem, sir. Gotta stay back in.
Tell him I'm... Tell him I'm... Nope.
No. I kind of want to see the Wesley Snipes.
All right, you want Ben Affleck or Keanu Reeves?
We need a plan of attack. Wait, right over here?
No, a little bit more this way.
Okay, ready? Guess it didn't really go up as smoothly as I was hoping.
Thanks. Come on, man, I'll see you.